All right, Mike. Hey, this is Brandon from earlier today, and I just wanted to keep my promise and send this video over to you. So in this video, I'm just going to kind of review your website and compare it to one of your top competitors in your area. I just chose one of your service areas, Highlands Ranch, and I'm going to go ahead and compare the data and analytics kind of behind what's powering your site and compare it to what's powering Rock's heating. So when you type in HVAC company in Highlands Ranch, here's what shows up. So when you're talking about, there's a lot of different avenues. Obviously, some people run Google ads, Facebook ads. We can do that as well. But I wanted to talk to you specifically about SEO and Google Map Pack stuff, because when it comes to people searching for your site, a lot of the business comes from this map pack and then the top Google organic listings. So what I've done is I've just grabbed Rock's Heating and Air. I'm not going to do Enterprise, Angie's List, or Yelp just because that's a little bit of a different conversation. And I'm going to show you what they're doing and compare it to what you guys are doing. So let's start with your website. Your site looks great. It's nicely done, and it's definitely got some good data behind it. So you've done a really nice job with it so far. And I'm like what I'm seeing. Here's your service area. I chose Highlands Ranch, and you guys are actually doing very well in Littleton. I checked that out, and you're at the bottom of the first page or right at the top of the second page. So that's great. Keep that up. But I wanted to show you guys Highlands Ranch to kind of show you where there's some improvements that can be made. So I'll just get into it. I don't want this to take much of your time. I know you guys are busy. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is content. So Google crawlers obviously are bots, and they're crawling Google 24/7. And one of the things they're looking for is for your homepage to have at least 1,500 words on it. So I copied and pasted your content. You guys have about 600 words on your homepage. So that would be a good place to start. Now, obviously, what's in the content matters more than the number of words. So we want to make sure that throughout your entire site, you've got buyer intent keywords, not just keywords, but buyer intent keywords that people are commonly typing into Google. So for example, HVAC company, Highlands Ranch, or AC repair, Highlands Ranch AC repair. Those are examples of buyer intent keywords. And you can also save your photos as keywords. So let's see if your photos are saved. So instead of background, yada, 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 you can save all your photos as keywords. And that's a trick that you can use that most people don't do. So that's a huge thing that you can do. The second thing I want to talk to you about let me get into the analytics behind it. So here's your guys' website, and this is a tool called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool, but you can use other tools that you don't have to pay for. And this is showing that you guys have about 218 keywords. So, and it's helping you guys get about 250 people per month to your website organically. Now, this number can be underreported, and oftentimes it is, so just take that with a grain of salt. It could be higher than that, but it's all relative compared to other companies on here. So your 218 words are helping you guys generate around 257 organic searches per month. Your top competitor here, which is Rock's Heating, at least on Google when you type in Highlands Ranch, has 514 keywords, and they're generating about 418 organic traffics per month. So 518 versus 218. So they've got a little bit over double, and they've got a little bit over double the traffic. So, you can go in here and you can see what keywords they're using just in general, and you can see how much search volume there is, how difficult it is to rank these words, and then the position that they're in. So I would go and check out all those keywords and figure out which ones you don't have that are valuable and implement those and get those into your site. So the next thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere another website links back to yours, driving traffic to you. So this is what kind of helps power your website. And not all backlinks are created equal. You want quality backlinks over quantity. Quality is way better than quantity. Same with keywords. You want quality, buyer intent, local specific keywords that people are searching for when they actually need your services. So let me talk to you about this rating here too. So this is your trust rating. and this is your power rating. So this is how much Google trusts your site, and this is what, the DR is how powerful it is. And you're pretty close to this company. Let's see. Yeah, so they've got more trust and a little bit more power. But let's get back to the backlinks. So you have 870 backlinks coming from 143 different websites. So great start. Your top competitor has 2,800 backlinks coming from 229 domains. But again, quality is way better than quantity. So I don't know how good of quality these are. That requires quite a bit of research. But the goal is to basically figure out what they're doing, what backlinks they're using that have high quality, use the same links, and then add more quality links. So they've kind of already done the hard work for you in that sense. That's how you beat out these companies, is I call it the copycat method. You just copy what they're doing, but you do it better than them. Okay. So with their buyer intent keywords and their backlinks, they're doubling, a little bit more than doubling the traffic to their site from yours than yours. Okay. So that's the first thing that's the second thing I wanted to go over was backlinks. And then the third thing I wanted to go over is how do you get listed in this map pack right here? So the biggest thing with this is it comes down to citations. So a citation is any place that you can list your business name, phone number, and address. That is a citation into a directory, I should say. That's a citation. So we need to figure out who Highlands Ranch Mechanical, how many citations they have, and get more than them. I'm sorry. So citations are very important when it comes to optimizing this Google Map Pack and getting in the top 3 spots, because everybody else doesn't show up in here. If you click more businesses, they will, but you want to be in this top 3. Okay. So those are the 3 techniques and basically an attack plan that you can use to move forward to gain more organic traffic to your site. And I really appreciate you being generous with your time today. And if you have any questions or feedback for this video, I would love to hear what that might be. And I hope this was valuable for you. Thanks so much, Mike. I appreciate your time. Bye-bye.